everybody. Welcome to episode 30 of Doing Stuff with Aaron. You guessed it, my name's Aaron. Today we are in Chilliwack BC, along the Chilliwack Lake Road. One of my favorite places, it turns out. And we've got Blue Dragon with us today. Passenger was nice enough to bring us out. And we're gonna go down here. There's gotta be a fire pit somewhere, right? This is Canada. So let's cruise on down the Trans-Canada Trail and see what we can discover on this episode 30 of Doing Stuff with Aaron. Peace. My ankle is still kind of messed up, so oh man, look at my hair. My ankle's kind of messed up, so that's why Blue Dragon's out with us today. Let's see here. Get this thing underneath. Get this thing underneath here. Oh, you want to watch? Why not? Hey, that's what you're here for. Okay. Some paw prints here on the ground. They look doggy size. Put my backpack on there, so it's falling off the wagon of Blue Dragon. So how have you guys been? Been doing well myself. My foot is almost better. For those of you keeping tabs, I think we're about 80%. Taking a while. Plugging away at work, do my thing in Decentraland. Still didn't get to one of those videos, and I still haven't got to any of my random acts of kindness. Been kind of lazy. I haven't had much motivation lately. I don't know. So I'll get to it soon. How have you guys been? Say hello in the comments. Drop me a hello. Welcome new subscribers. Goodbye to the 2 that left. It doesn't hurt. Not at all. Yeah, I don't know. Gotta shut up for a few minutes and just let you enjoy the scenery. It's much better than listening to me talk. Those tracks again. It looks like there's a few, so either they're a mama bear with her cubs. Should be kind of odd for this late in the year. Probably dogs. TCT means Trans-Canada Trail. Oh wow, check that out. It's a little oasis. Cool. Cue all the gold panning comments. I don't know if you can see all the shiny specks in there. That's hilarious. It almost looks like gold. That was pretty cool, eh? I remember to bring my gold pan more. But it's, you know, it's another thing to carry. Anyways, it's starting to rain. And look what we discovered here. Oops, sorry as I whiz the camera around. I've never been down this trail before. We've been walking for about 10 minutes. I knew I would find a campsite. Right beside this little lazy river. This is awesome. Lots of skeeters. Look at that one. Let's follow them. Little fire pit right here. Okay. Perfect. This little trail over here. Oh, this is the Trans-Canada Trail. Right on, right on. And I can hear the stream. It's probably that same Pierce Lake stream or river that we were at a few episodes ago. The trail gets considerably smaller up here. Let's explore. It sounds big. Oh, is this an even better camping spot? Oh, wow. Huh. I don't know what to do. There's a few logs to jump over if I want to come out here. It's nice and open there, but it's a bit noisy. Something to look at though. What would you guys do? So you'll see this log. 1, 2, that's 3 logs. See the logs behind me there. Let's do it. closer to the water in case I have to put the fire out. It's soaking wet out here though, and it's supposed to rain for like the next week straight. Says weatherman Aaron. The peace and serenity of the forest or the river? I can't decide. You know, I think I'm gonna go river because there's a nice view of the mountain with the snow on it, so let's do it. Whoa. Come on, Blue Dragon. Let's tilt that a bit so we can watch the adventure. Fix the tripod a bit here. It's not as flimsy. And we're off. So 1, 2, 3, 4 logs we gotta go over. I think Blue Dragon's up to the challenge. Blue Dragon immediately fails. No! And it fell. Okay, one down. I brought a ton of wood. And I brought my awning too. In case it rains, I could have brought a tarp, but I wanted to try out my new toy. Even though it's not raining right now, I think I'm still gonna set it up. Okay, 2 more logs here. Let's get the tripod out of the way. Well, that is remarkably easy to set up. Oh. I wonder what this pin does. Oh, I think it locks in place. Anyways. Got the little sliders on there. You can peg the posts down. It's a quick and dirty tarp. Oh, I didn't even notice that. Look, we got side dish for our steak. A little bit of mushrooms. Well, now that I did all that, it's definitely not going to rain. So I wanted to just kind of wet my head down in the river here. And I got close to the water and it started to really stink. Whoo-wee, it stinks. I'm like, why does it stink? What's this thing? Is this like some sewage output or something? And then I kind of get down here. I don't know if you can see it. Dead fish. There's dead fish over there. Look at all the dead fish right there. I think that's a dead fish down there in the crack there too. So, oh look, there's another dead fish on the rock. I don't know if you can see that there. Right there, that's another dead fish. So, I wonder if it's bears. Or if it's people fishing. You're not allowed to fish up here though because of the hatchery. Yeah, there it is. Another dead fish there. Oh boy, it reeks. Huh. It might just be them dying after they finish spawning, I guess. Anyways, I'm gonna sit by the fire here for a bit. So I was just exploring over here a little bit. I like to try to read the forest if I can. And you notice here, you notice over there, it's all grown. But over here, there's not much growing. And I'm thinking it's because of bears and or more people kind of walking over this area, therefore not letting anything grow. Otherwise, it would look like that. You know, there's a bit of a trail here. I bet you that's a game trail. Anyways, but if you look along the edge of the river, definitely creatures or humans, most likely creatures walking along the side of the river fishing. I don't know if you can see down on the rock down there, dead fish, another dead fish, and then check this out, boom, another dead fish. We're definitely in Bear Alley here. Here's another one. Another dead fish. Another dead fish down there. They're everywhere. So yeah, hopefully hopefully none come right now, eh? I've literally have my bear spray in my back pocket. And I got my big old knife and I got my axe right here. Dun dun dun! Drama! Anyways, hope you're enjoying the episode so far. I keep debating whether or not to kind of talk, but I don't know. I don't know what people prefer, the quietness and just watching, or kind of shooting the crap with me. Yeah, maybe leave a comment down below. Interact with the algorithm. Let's try to grow this channel beyond the 65 subscribers we have so far. And I thank you very much for everybody that watches. There's like 90% of the people that don't watch, that don't subscribe. And I think my average view duration is about 2 minutes. So basically right along the lines of how long my wife thinks I can operate for. Anyways, I'm gonna sit down for a bit here, enjoy the river, and keep my eyes open for Smokey. Getting pretty close to being done. Ooh, a little bit toasty on that one. Wow, is it hot? Oh, man. Oof. Wow. Sorry, I don't mean to say it every time. Today's video is sponsored by Salt and Pepper. Seasoning all sorts of food since the dawn of time. Salt and pepper. Find it in a store near you. So a freaking bald eagle just showed up. Awesome. Dang it. Dang it. Another bald eagle. Those seagulls just scared it away. Man, those things are cool. Wish I had a better camera. Anyways, maybe I'll be lucky and get it on film. Anyways, I freaking devoured those chicken wings. They were so good. Look, the weather is changing. It's like I'm a superhero. A superhero. Steak time. Damn, those chicken wings were good. Can't even tell you. Whoops. Cinematographer of the year. So let's just roll it. Alright, I'll put that right there so you can see that. We'll grab our seat. There's our seat. Sit here at Blue Dragon. Our seat. Ugh. It's actually raining a little bit. This is an $8 steak. I went the cheap route today. Anyways, and we're gonna do up the Greek seasoning. Not too much, not too little, just the right amount of seasoning. I steal that from a guy named Matthew Poza. Matthew Poza, he has an awesome outdoor channel. I highly recommend it. I watch hours of that dude camping. Yeah. Well, it's definitely raining. Haha! Shelter! It should be easy enough to dry out, too. I like that it detaches quite easily. It's just a bit of Velcro in the corners. Still no bears? Let's try flipping the steak. Oh, not yet. Not yet. Oops, bad camera work. Almost there. One more minute. How's that? That's a nice shot. What an awesome afternoon. I'm a little bit anxious based on all of the fish carcasses around me. Is that the bald eagle again? Awesome. That one didn't have the white head like the last one. That was a giant bird. Haha, sweet. Let's go flip that steak now. Oops. Oh yeah, I'll take that. I'll take that. Damn, son. Greek seasoning. Giant birds. Oh boy, I think that's done. Oh, I'm gonna call that done. I've got my plate. Look, there's me! Over here, camera! Why did I sit down? I'm such a fatty. Oh. Okay. Might as well do this. These are very basic. Meat and salad. I guess we don't really need the garbage in the picture, do we? Oof. If only I had a knife. Just let the steak rest for a second or two. We're on Eagle Watch. Pesky seagulls are going around. Down to my last few sticks of wood. Clouds are coming this way. It's pretty high. I don't think it's gonna rain. The guy shook off all the I shook off all the needles and rain. So I think I'm gonna take this thing down. See what the easiest way is. So there's this little like thing built over here. Danger. Water intake. I wonder what it's intaking water to. It's coming in that one over there and going into that one. It needs to be cleaned out. Looks like it's half full of rocks. Oh, look. More dead fish. 1, 2. Oof. Dude, man, I think an owl or something was just getting chased by a bald eagle. They came swooping right through here. I don't know if it was an owl. Those things come out during the day? Oh look, there goes that thing. Such a city boy. Okay. Took a little bit of time to get the fire out. Let's get out of here. I guess I don't need to film. You know, I think I might enjoy sitting by the river simply for the fact that it drowns out a lot of the sounds. My hearing goes into overdrive when I'm out here. I bet you if I was sitting in here where it was a lot quieter, my head would be turning a lot more. Okay, last log here. Let's go put the camera down. Okay. Well, that was fun. Let's grab that. Episode 30, doing stuff with Aaron. Let's check this spot out again. What time is it? 4:49. I got here around lunchtime. Next time I'm gonna chill here. There's mushrooms all over the place. Okay, that pretty much does it for episode 30 of Doing Stuff with Aaron. We did it. We filmed ourselves cooking meat and not getting eaten by a bear. We saw some bird action and a little bit of blue sky, a little bit of rain, and overall it was a good experience. Now I do have the opportunity to go to my buddy's house and sit by the fire. Should I? We'll see. Anyways, car's coming. Thanks for joining me. Catch me next Sunday for episode 31. Doing Stuff with Aaron.